right. Hello, math friends. All right, today we are going to be talking about how to represent subtraction problems. We've been doing a lot of work with addition, and now we're going to work on our subtraction. So, after math today, you will be able to use pictures and circle drawings to solve subtraction equations and story problems. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to draw that story, a subtraction story, and then how to write an equation and solve it. So the first thing we're going to look at is our story. So our story is there are 6 people swimming in the lake. 4 people decided to go home. How many people are left swimming in the lake? So I'm going to think back. First thing I need to do when I'm solving subtraction problems is draw my story. So there are 6 people swimming in the lake. I'm going to draw my 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my 6 people swimming in the lake. Okay, now our story said that 4 people decided to go home. So the very first thing I'm going to do is count from the beginning, just like a book. We start on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to draw this line. That line's going to help us visualize our story. Okay, 4 people decided to go home. Next thing I'm going to do, cross them out. 4 people decided to go home. Now I need to answer 2 people are left, right? That's how many are on my other side that are not crossed out. So now I need to write my equation. First thing I'm going to start with is my total, the beginning of my story, right? 6 people were swimming at the lake. Now what symbol do I need to use because we're solving subtraction equations? The minus sign. Minus 4 people decided to go home. So I'm going to write my number that represents those 4 people. Then we're writing an equation. So what symbol do we need? Equal sign. Equals 2 people are left swimming in the lake. Good. Now we're going to look at one more, but instead of drawing a picture, which takes a little more time, we're going to use circle drawings. That's really fast. All right, my friends, we are going to be looking at the problem, the story problem. Claire brought in 8 apples for us to eat. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to eat 8 apples, or draw 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, with circle drawings, we're not drawing detail. We are just drawing our circles to represent whatever we're drawing. So now I'm going to read my story. So there are 8. Claire brought in 8 apples to the classroom. We decided to eat 5 of those apples. How many apples are left? So to solve this, I need to count out 5. Remember, from the left side, just like a book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to draw my line. That's going to help me see how many are left. We are subtracting 5, so I'm going to cross out the 5. That's really important. Those 5 are no longer there. But I'm not going to erase them because I still want to see that total when I'm writing my equation, so it helps me remember. How many apples are left? There's 3 apples left. So now we just need to write our equation. So remember, when we're solving subtraction, we start with our very first piece of information, which was our total. There were 8 apples. Claire brought in 8 apples. Again, which symbol do I use for subtraction? Minus sign. We decided to eat 5 apples. I know that because I crossed out 5. Remember, it's an equation, so I have to have that equal sign. And then how many apples are left? 3. 3 apples left. Good. So today we used pictures and circle drawings to be able to solve subtraction story problems and write subtraction equations. Very nice job, my friends.